Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of Damson Plums. These adorable fruits may be small, but they pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Join us on a journey as we uncover the remarkable properties of this humble fruit, celebrated for generations for its nutritional prowess and therapeutic potential. From decadent jams to tantalizing pastries, the Damson Plum's versatility knows no bounds. But beyond its culinary allure, it holds a secret that can revolutionize your well-being. Whether you're a fruit fanatic or just looking to spruce up your diet, you're in for a treat. So stick around as we explore how these plums can be your best buddies on the journey to a healthier, happier you. Grab a snack, get cozy, and let's embark on this delightful adventure into the world of Damson Plums and their incredible health benefits. First and foremost, Damson plums are rich in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The insoluble fiber in Damson plums adds bulk to the stool, which helps prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. Damson plums contain certain types of fiber that act as prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible compounds that promote the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This can lead to a healthier gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall digestive health. A diet rich in fiber from sources like Damson plums may lower the risk of developing various digestive disorders, including diverticulosis, irritable bowel syndrome, and even certain types of colon cancer. For individuals with digestive conditions like IBS, Damson plums may offer relief. The soluble fiber can help regulate bowel movements and alleviate symptoms such as bloating and diarrhea. The fiber and other nutrients in Damson plums contribute to a healthy gut lining. A well-maintained gut barrier is essential for preventing the entry of harmful substances into the bloodstream. Additionally, Damson plums are a good source of essential nutrients for bone health, including calcium, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin K. While not as high in calcium as dairy products, Damson plums do contain a moderate amount of this crucial mineral. Calcium is essential for bone strength and density. Potassium and magnesium help with the absorption and utilization of calcium in the body. They also play a role in maintaining proper bone mineralization. Damson plums are a source of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone metabolism. It helps deposit calcium into bones and prevents its accumulation in soft tissues. A diet rich in foods like Damson plums, which are high in bone-friendly nutrients, can contribute to the prevention of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weakened bones. The minerals found in Damson plums not only benefit bones, but also support healthy teeth, which are composed of similar mineralized tissues. What's more, Damson plums can be beneficial for skin health due to their rich content of vitamins, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. They are a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. This vitamin plays a crucial role in collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing premature aging. Damson plums are rich in various antioxidants, including anthocyanins and quercetin. These compounds help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and other skin issues. The high vitamin C content in Damson plums can help even out skin tone, reducing the appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and blemishes. They also have a high water content, which helps keep the skin hydrated. Well-hydrated skin is less prone to dryness, flakiness, and irritation. Regular consumption of Damson plums can contribute to a radiant complexion, thanks to the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall skin health. The combination of antioxidants and vitamin C in Damson plums helps combat the signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. It can also help maintain a youthful appearance. The antioxidants in Damson plums support the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to remove toxins that can contribute to skin issues. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. Damson plums are relatively low in calories, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack option for those looking to manage their weight. These plums are rich in dietary fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. This can lead to reduced calorie intake overall and can be particularly helpful for controlling portion sizes. The fiber content in Damson plums helps promote a feeling of fullness, which can help reduce the urge to snack on less healthy, high-calorie options between meals. They also provide a natural sweet taste without the added sugars found in many processed snacks. This can satisfy a sweet craving in a healthier way. Including Damson plums in your diet may help regulate your appetite and prevent overeating. Their fiber content helps slow down digestion, providing a steady release of energy. Let's talk about heart health. Damson plums are loaded with antioxidants, such as vitamin C, anthocyanins, and quercetin. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are factors linked to heart disease. The potassium content in Damson plums helps regulate blood pressure levels. Potassium helps counteract the effects of sodium in the body, which can lead to high blood pressure if not balanced. The soluble fiber in Damson plums helps to lower LDL cholesterol levels. A diet high in fiber can contribute to a healthier lipid profile and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. The antioxidants in Damson plums can also improve endothelial function. This is important because healthy endothelial cells help regulate blood pressure and prevent blood clots. Moreover, as we said before, Damson plums are a rich source of vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. The antioxidants in Damson plums help enhance the body's immune response to infections and illnesses. They provide additional support to the immune system in its efforts to defend the body. Vitamin C is particularly beneficial for respiratory health. It can help prevent and alleviate symptoms of respiratory infections, such as colds and flu. Some compounds in Damson plums have been found to have antibacterial properties. This can help protect against bacterial infections that can weaken the immune system. Lastly, the antioxidants and phytochemicals in Damson plums may contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. There you have it, folks. The incredible world of Damson plums and their extraordinary health benefits. Whether you enjoy them fresh, in jams, or as a delightful addition to your favorite recipes, Damson plums are a tasty way to supercharge your well-being. Remember, a healthier you starts with small, wholesome choices. So go ahead, add some Damson plums to your next grocery list and savor the benefits. See you tomorrow. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.